order time. So someone ordered, okay? And we have our box here, and I told you last year I'm going to order for Jana Miraj Sharona from grade Summit. That's my classmate again. Okay, she says all pink and all purple. Okay, so I'm gonna give away this bracelet to her. I'm gonna give her this clip, please. As you went to the NCCC to get more things like this again, so I bought it. Go with that. Take this clip, because this is so cute. That's my favorite this clip. I'm gonna give away her this bracelet from flies to guy, and I'm gonna give her this and put it right there, and then this yellow to the dog fork. Okay, done, guys. I'm gonna give her this mystery again. Comment down below which one is your favorite, Siti Sharifa or Jana Miraj Sharona. Okay, bye, guys.